So I'm going to go over how to find the inverse function of a trig function. And so we're going to use this example, f of x equals 2 sine x minus 1. And we have a restricted domain for our function from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So this is going to be done exactly like you did in your previous courses. Let's first rewrite it as y equals 2 sine x minus 1. And if you recall, when we want to write the inverse, we're going to switch your x and your y. And now my goal is to solve for our y variable right here. Okay. So we're going to undo what's happening to the y. We're going to add 1 to both sides. Now we would divide by 2 on both sides. And so now I'm going to get the expression or the equation sine y is equal to x plus 1 over 2. And so to get the y out, we're going to take the inverse sine of both sides. So I do inverse sine. And then I'm going to do inverse sine here. And so sine inverse of sine y just gives me y equals inverse sine of x plus 1 over 2. And now part B, so this is our inverse. Part B says find the range of f in the domain and range of f inverse. So if we think about the original function, here's A. If we think about the original function, this is a sine function. Its midline is -1, and our amplitude is 2. And so the range of f is going to be from -3 up to 1. The domain of f, well, they give us that it's negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Now, for f inverse, we know that the range and domain of f flip for f inverse. So f inverse domain will be -3 to 1. F inverse range is the domain of f. So the range is negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And there we have how to find the inverse function of a trig function.